Yes, a pop-up drink stand can absolutely specialize only in milk tea, and in most areas this is fully allowed as long as you get the correct food and beverage permits for your city or county. Milk tea stands are becoming super popular because they let you focus on being really good at one thing instead of trying to do everything. Think of it like a lemonade stand, but instead of just lemonade, you are making creamy, sweet tea with those chewy little balls called tapioca pearls. Here's something a lot of people do not know. Milk tea started in Taiwan back in the 1980s, and the bouncy little pearls are made from cassava root, which is a starchy plant kind of like a potato. Specializing in just milk tea actually helps you buy ingredients in bulk, keep your menu simple, and train workers faster since there are fewer drinks to memorize. Many successful stands even build a whole brand around just having 8 or 10 milk tea flavors done perfectly, instead of a huge menu done just okay. This also makes your stand easier to spot and remember, because people know exactly what you are known for. One big mistake people make is not checking local health department rules before starting, since some cities require special permits just for handling dairy or tapioca products. A simple fix is calling your local health department early and asking specifically about mobile beverage stands. Another common issue is underestimating how fast tapioca pearls go bad, since they usually only stay fresh for about 4 hours once cooked. The tip here is to cook small batches throughout the day instead of one big batch in the morning. Lastly, many new stand owners forget to test their sugar levels for different weather, so a drink that tastes great in cool weather might taste too sweet in the summer heat. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.